Hey there campers, Carl from Pete's RV Center here. Today we're taking a look at the 2019 Forest River Wildwood 36BHDS. Absolutely terrific floor plan, very large unit. Makes a great choice, so you can either haul it back and forth to and from the campsite, or you can take it and use it as a destination trailer. So I'm going to be showing you around it. First off, up front, you will notice down up front here, you've got a power tongue jack and you've got capacity for two 30-pound LP tanks, not 20, 30-pound LP tanks. Also, of course, you do get that rock guard that comes on up, helps protect that front cap from any chipping or rocks that come up while you're towing the unit. As we make our way down, you will notice, of course, nice large power awning. This thing runs about 20 foot. It comes out about 8 feet. Going to give you plenty of room to hang out with the family underneath here. Do get a nice large sliding glass door too. That's why I say this thing can double as a destination trailer. Build yourself a deck off the front of it, something like that. Makes an absolutely great setup. Nate, you can kind of see down the way a little bit further. You do have that extra door there. That goes right into the master bedroom, but we're going to swing in this, this slider and check it on out. So, as we come on in, you will see it is a very open floor plan. There's tons of room in here, tons of windows also to let in plenty of light. So, right over here, actually, first thing I do want to point out is that with the sliding glass door, it is nice if you ever want to block out any sun or anything like that, come the evening hours, have your privacy. They do give you a nice large roller for that. Entertainment center right here, so this shade will help protect you from any glare. Plenty of, storage space under here, DVDs, or if you want to hook up a gaming system, anything like that. You will see up front here, Nate will have you go on in. You do have a bunk room up at the front, so you've got the two bunks on the left-hand side, you got the bunk on the right-hand side, and you do also get this little dinette here as well. That'll drop down, make another bed, or you can use it as a little card table, something of the sort, and there is storage in there as well, so the kids can have their own little wardrobe. Over here you will have, of course, your sofa. You do get storage underneath it, nice massive storage area. You would never really expect that under there. And then once again, storage just carries through up top. Do give you a nice little glass face here, kind of class it up just a little bit. Booth dinette, once again, I keep hammering on storage, but you can never really have enough storage, especially if it's you, the family, the kids, the dogs, anything like that. You do also get surround sound system in here. So you'll see these speakers that are mounted up on the ceiling. So that'll give you a good sound quality no matter what you're listening to, whether it's movies, radio, anything like that. You'll get really good sound throughout the coach. You are going to get, as you can see here, nice, massive, legitimately household residential fridge, 3-burner cooktop, microwave up above that. You do get the oven, of course, down below. Great. So if, some people want to make a little roast chicken, something of the sort. Really expansive countertops. These are, you can hear it. It's very high quality. It'll stand up to a lot of stuff. You set a hot pan down on it, anything like that. And you do get nice little movable spraying nozzle too. Makes doing dishes just a little bit easier for you. So now what we're going to do, we got a little bit more storage in here, of course, so pots, pans, anything of the sort. So now we're going to be making our way into the bathroom. So it's going to get a little tight in here, but Nate, we'll have you start over here. Just want to show you your little sink area. You do get a medicine cabinet up above that. And then back here, of course, more storage. You do get large wardrobe. This is kind of for, you can use it as extra space for the master closet or anything like that. You do get nice big walk-in shower, of course, your throne there and storage up above it. They kitty corner you in the back there, that way you can, lean back, get yourself nice and comfortable. And then now we're back into the master bedroom. So this is actually very nice open. They do give you, wardrobe space here, but you can also use it as a desk. They even give you a little cutout here so you can nice and neatly run your cords down here. You do get this queen bed slide out here, of course. More storage up above. You do each get your own window as well, so you can kind of control, if you want to look out over the lake or the campsite when you wake up in the morning, but you don't want to get up and disturb your neighbor, that's no problem. And then, of course, nice large, walk-in kind of closet in here. You do get storage cubbies in the sides. Of course, we do have, I'm not going to open this fully because we kind of want to hide Nate a little bit from camera sight. But yeah, super large. You can hang, this bar runs the whole length of it. So you can really fit a wardrobe fit for royalty in here. So if you want to take a look at this Wildwood and others like it, get in touch with us at Pete's RV Center. We'd be more than happy to have you give us a call, shoot us an email, or check us out on social media. Can't wait to hear from you folks, and happy camping.